The domain of the inequation 6 into x plus 2 plus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to 8. 6 into x plus 2 plus 4 by 2 greater than or equal to 8. So, this 2 becomes multiplication. 6 into x plus 2 plus 4 greater than or equal to 8 to 16. This 4 becomes, this plus 4 becomes minus 4. So, 6 into x plus 2 is greater than or equal to 12. 6 ones, 6 twos. So, x plus 2 greater than or equal to 2. 2 becomes minus 2. So, x greater than or equal to 0. So, option C is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let us see the next question. The domain of the inequation x by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 10 is x by 2 plus x by 3 greater than or equal to 10. Just take the LCM. LCM is 6. These are co-prime numbers. LCM of co-prime numbers is always their product. Cross multiply. 3x plus 2x is greater than or equal to 10. This is 5x by 6 greater than or equal to 10. 5x is greater than or equal to 10 into 6. 5 ones, 5 twos. X greater than or equal to 6 twos, 12. So, option C is the correct answer for this question. If x is a variable on minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3 and so on, then the solution set of x greater than 1 and x less than 6 is x greater than 1, that means 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. But x less than 6 means still 5 only we have to take. So, the solution set is 2, 3, 4, 5, that is option C. That is it. If x is a variable on minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and so on, then the solution set of x less than 4 and x greater than minus 3. X less than 4, that means 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and so on. But x greater than minus 3 means till here. So, this is the solution set. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So, option C is the correct answer for this question. If x greater than or equal to minus 5 and x less than or equal to 1, then the solution set is x greater than or equal to minus 5. Either x is minus 5 or greater. Greater means we have to take right side. So, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and so on, and less than or equal to 1. Minus 1, 0, 1 because it is equal to 1. So, this is the solution set. Minus 5, 4, 3, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. So, option C is the correct answer for this question. If A equal to x such that x belongs to n, 2 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 4, B equal to x such that x belongs to w, 0 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 3, then A union B is the solution set of inequation. A union B. First we have to take the elements of A. A equal to set of x belongs to n. X is in between 2 and 4. In between 2 and 4, it is equal to 2 and equal to 4. So, in between 2 and 4 means 3. Equal to 2 means 2, equal to 4 means 4. This is the set A. Let us take set B. In between 0 and 3. 0 and 3 and it is equal to 0, 1, 2 and it is equal to 3. So, 3. So, union is A union B. A union B equal to set of, union means we have to write all the elements which are in A and B. That means 0 is there, we should not repeat the elements, we have to write element only once. 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3. So, 2, 3 is done, so we have to include 4 only. So, this is the A union B. Okay. So this is A union B set. Let's represent this set. It is equal to 0. Here no equal to symbol is there, so wrong. So this is also wrong. So we have to consider this one. This is equal to 0 and is equal to 4, not equal to 4. So this option is also wrong. Option D is the correct answer for this question. Okay. If A equal to x such that x belongs to n, 1 less than x less than 5, B equal to y such that y belongs to n, 2 less than y less than 6, then A intersection B is the solution set of inequation. In the previous question, we had to find A union B. In this question, we have to find A intersection B. So let's take the elements in A. A equal to set of, it is not equal to 1, not equal to 5. In between 1 and 5, that means 2, 3, 4. And B, set of belongs to natural numbers in between 2 and 6, not equal to 2 and not equal to 6. 3, 4, 5. Now we have to find A intersection B. A intersection B means we have to write the elements which are there in both the sets. 2 is not there in this set, 3 is there, 4 is there. So only 3 and 4. So this is the intersection. Okay, right. So 3 and 4 should be there. 3 and 4 means x less than 5. Less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1 and so on. X greater than 2. Greater than 2 means only 3, 4, 5 and so on. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Match the following. X greater than 1 and x less than 5. X greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. And less than 5 means 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 like that. So if we clearly observe, greater than 1 means it should start from 2. Here it is starting from 2. Here it is starting from 2. So the end point will be, this is less than 5. Less than 5 means there must be 4. Here 5 is there. So this is the matching point. A4. Where is A4? A4, A3, A2. So A4 only one option is there. So we can go with this option. Okay. Let's check the remaining also. X greater than or equal to 1. That means x is equal to 1 and x greater than 1. Greater than 1 means 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 like that. So this set should start from 1. 1 and 1. These two options. And less than 5. Less than 5 means 5 should not be included. In these two options, in which option 5 is not included? In this option only. So for B, 3. Next. X greater than 1. X greater than 1 means it should start from 2. Only two options. This option is completed. So we can go with this option. X greater than or equal to 1. That means x should start from 1. And less than or equal to 5. X should end with 5. Okay. So for this one, this is the correct one. Okay. So option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay. Let's see the next one. Match the following again. 3x plus 2 less than 8. 3x plus 2 less than 8 means here we have to solve the inequations one by one. This becomes 6. 3 ones, 3 twos. So x less than 2. X less than 2 means x should not be 2. Here 2 is there, 2 is there. So these two options are not possible. And x less than 2 means 1, 0, minus 1. So for A, option 4 is correct. A4, option B is there. We can go with this option directly. Let's solve this one also. This becomes 6, 3 ones, 3 twos. That means x less than or equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and less than or equal to 2. B, we can go with this option. This is 6, 3 ones, 3 twos. X greater than or equal to 2. X is equal to 2 and greater than 2. X is equal to 2 and greater than 2. So we can go with this option. So the last option is, this is 6, 3 ones, 3 twos. Greater than 2, that is this option only. So finally we got the answer B. Okay. An inequation may have. In the previous session, we have discussed this inequations concept. In that session, we have read an inequation may have only one root, single root, more than one root, and no root. So, all the above. More than one root means more than two roots also. Okay, right. Match the following domains with their corresponding number systems. Okay, natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, and rational numbers. Natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. In the earlier sessions, that means long back, we have discussed this number system. Okay, and integers means, so D1, A4, B3, C2, D1. Option C is the correct answer for this question. If x greater than or equal to minus 5 and less than 2, then the solution set is x is equal to minus 5 and greater than minus 5. So minus 5 should be included. In this one, minus 5 is not included. In this one, minus 5 is not included. Okay, x less than 2 means 2 should not be included. That means 1 should be there. So here no 1 is there. So this option is also wrong. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Okay, right. In this session, we have discussed the inequalities. In the next session, we are going to see the mains questions. Thank you for watching.